Hello to the hockey family. It is Tuesday, June the 9th. As is true for most of you, I guess, kids out of school. So we've got those summer months now with our team kind of all, um, I guess, a little bit of slower time, a bit, and trying to make the most of it, enjoy some more time with the kids, etc. Um, I was actually up at Johan's mountain house over the weekend. We had a great time and was back Sunday. And then Johan and his family are up there right now. He's working out of his office up there. So looking back at markets last week, we saw the first down week in markets posting 9 or 10, I believe. Straight positive weeks. What we saw last week was kind of led by tech down about 4%, S&P down about 2.5%. Kind of a very ironical piece of this is that these declines that we finally saw after just seeing market go higher, 9, 10 straight weeks is the declines that we saw in last week came on good news. And we will explain that a little bit, but as is true, starting any month, all eyes are going to be on the employment report, and the jobs report on Friday came out very strong. So private payrolls, especially, added 166,000 net new jobs. That doubled expectations. One little piece I guess you could look at in there that was not super positive, just adding all those jobs, beating expectations, great. But the average hourly earnings numbers didn't really grow. So people not earning more, just a lot more jobs added. Somewhere I believe we saw here was the strongest job report in 3 years. And so what we see with a strong jobs report like this is that yields immediately went higher, right? The Fed really has no reason in a situation like that where they need to be decreasing rates, right? So we saw yields, interest rates move a little bit higher, and anytime that happens, it puts pressure on the stock market, right? Because cost of goods, cost of just doing business goes up, right? So it's going to be a very, very interesting first Fed meeting for our new Fed chair, Kevin Weeks, at the middle of the month, but we'll talk about that more leading into that meeting, but definitely an interesting situation for him to be in. Again, it's been a long run of great market weeks, so to see one down week coming out of great news really is interesting and should probably bode well for the future. So we got a great hockey series going on right now. Game 4 tonight. I think the question everybody's asking is who's Carolina going to start in net, right? So looking forward to watching that game tonight. But if anybody has any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to reach out to us. We are here and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.